Families of the victims of the Kupwara massacre continue to await justice even after the passing of 30 years. According to Kashmir Media Service, on 27th January in 1994, a day after the India's Republic Day, the Indian troop had massacred 27 innocent people in the Kupwara town. The mass killing was carried out by the troops to punish the people for observing a shutdown on 26 January. All parties, Hurriyat Conference leaders paying glowing tributes to the victims of the Kupwara massacre on their anniversary have demanded an impartial probe into the incidents of the mass killing in occupied Kashmir to punish the involved Indian troops. According to Kashmir Media Service, Indian troops had killed 27 innocent Kashmiris by resorting to indiscriminate firing in the Kupwara town on this day in 1994. Indian police have again started profiling the people in the occupied Kashmir to harass and intimidate them for their affiliation with the ongoing freedom movement. According to Kashmir Media Service, as part of this exercise, the police have distributed a form to all the households across the Kashmir Valley seeking details of the residents, houses and their family members settled abroad. The form also seeks the photographs of each family member as well as of the house. A forest fire in the Poonch district on Friday night triggered explosions in the several landmines planted by the Indian troops. According to Kashmir Media Service, the fire broke out on the Friday evening in Balnoi and Krishna Ghati areas of the district. It led to the landmine explosions in these areas. However, there was no report of any casualty in the incident. Renowned religious scholar Maulana Hafiz Muhammad Abdul Latif Butt passed away in Srinagar. According to Kashmir Media Service, Maulana Abdul Latif had been performing the duties of the Imam and Khatib at a mosque in Zainakadal area of the Srinagar. The Grand Mufti of the occupied Kashmir, Mufti Nasirul Islam, in a statement expressed grief and sorrow over the demise of Maulana Abdul Latif.